this clip, we'll add the vegetables to the rice and to the beans, and the cooking rice will steam the vegetables. So if your water boils down all the way, you may need to add an extra cup or half of a cup of water. So I'm first going to add an even layer of this winter squash on top of the rice. And then I'll add some of the sweet potato. And then I'll finish it off again with a little bit more winter squash. And again, the sweet potatoes. So just evenly layering the rice with the vegetables. We'll cover it again and let it steam while the rice is cooking. It's going to take about 20 minutes.